Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I'm also fine, alhamdulillah. Okay dear students, today we are celebrating which activity? Which activity? Well done. Okay dear students, why we need fruit? Well done. It keep us? Which fruit is this?
Mango.
Okay. The color of mango is?
Yellow.
Dear students, mango is called?
Mango fruit.
Well done. Mango is called?
Mango fruit.
Our national fruit is?
Mango.
Our national fruit is?
Mango.
Okay dear students, which fruit is this?
Banana.
The color of banana is?
Yellow.
Yellow. Well done. Dear students, which vitamin in banana?
Vitamin B.
Which vitamin?
Vitamin B.
Okay dear students, which fruit is this?
Plum.
Which fruit is this?
Plum.
And the color of plum is?
Red.
The color of plum is?
Red.
And which vitamin in plum?
Vitamin A.
Which vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Well done. Vitamin K and?
C.
Well done. Which fruit is this?
Peach.
Which fruit is this?
Peach.
The color of peach is?
Red.
Well done. Red and?
Yellow.
Good. Which fruit is this?
Peach.
Which fruit is this?
Apricot.
And the color of apricot is?
Yellow.
Okay students, which fruit is this?
Orange.
Well done. And the color of orange is?
Orange.
It contains which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Which fruit is this?
Pear.
Okay, the color of pear is?
Green.
Okay dear, it contains?
Vitamin C.
Well done. It contains?
Vitamin C.
Very nice.
Thank you, dear.
Welcome my dear. Allah Hafiz. Take care.